So a lot of automotive manufacturers these days are very much focusing on smaller engines that just produce a decent amount of power and also increasing the amount of electric power within their engines too. But not all manufacturers are going with this philosophy, because somebody called Zenvo Automotive have produced the most powerful V12 engine ever to be fitted to a road legal vehicle, which is something incredible to think about. I mean, a V12 is a powerful engine anyway. Some of the Ferrari V12s we've seen over the decades have been absolutely monstrous. So for this one to be even more powerful than that is something special. So let's have a look at this, guys. Let's have a look at a bit of engineered insanity, if I don't say so myself. Full article on the motoringchronicle.com as always. Zenvo Automotive will shortly breathe life into its Mjolnir. Great name. That is Thor's hammer, in case you don't know. With 4 turbochargers and producing up to 1,250 brake horsepower alone, pushing it up to 1,850 brake horsepower when incorporated with the electric hybrid system. See, it's got an electric system in as well. It's helping out the environment. It will be the most powerful V12 engine ever fitted to a production road car. The first example of the carefully crafted hand-built unit has now been completed as the Aurora development program continues at pace. Developed with the team at Mahle Powertrain, the beating heart of Aurora is a newly designed bespoke 6.6 litre V12 engine, which will be built at Mahle Powertrain in Northampton in the UK, alongside the hybrid system. With the birth of this new milestone power plant, the Aurora program has taken a significant step forward, and an extensive testing phase will now be underway ahead of the first prototypes entering tested. Yes, please do test this properly, because I mean, just look at it. It's absolutely ridiculous. The size of the car they're going to need to fit in, that thing to fit in is going to be unbelievable. Here's the chairman of Zenvo Automotive, Jens Sverdrup. Let's go Sverdrup. A key part of the Aurora program is around delivering an emotional connection for drivers and passengers. Yeah, they'll be hanging on for dear life probably. Designed to simulate the senses. Oh, it'll definitely do that. Sound and visceral drama is what Aurora will all be about, and the engine is a vital element in this, which we will turn up to 11. At Zenvo, we are a team of passionate, genuine car guys, and it is not every day that a V12 engine is born. So it is a very proud moment and very exciting to finally showcase Mjolnir. The fact it is the world's most powerful road car engine was not something we set out to achieve. I don't believe that for a second. You don't end up with the most powerful engine of that type ever created without doing it on purpose. You can't just stumble into that. Come on, Jens, I'm not buying that. But it is a result of pushing what we know is possible. This is a hugely important milestone, and the next step we'll see and hear it come to life, and it has already been designed to deliver at every level, which shows the progress we continue to make. The design of Mjolnir is based on experience and proven practices within the road car sector, while pushing the boundaries of performance. This engine has been carefully considered in all aspects, from the initial design phase, from driver engagement and comfort, through to meeting current and future emissions legislation around the world. Despite its high performance levels with its 9.8 thousand RPM red line, this is a bespoke design developed specially for the road, rather than being some more compromised when motorsport derived. The engine will feature the Mahle jet ignition system, which has been in development at Mahle Powertrain for over a decade and is a key enabler for Lambda 1 operation. This will be the prerequisite for future emissions requirements. This engine in V12 format is the first implementation of this new modular architecture from Zenvo Automotive. From here, the concept will continue to be developed and used in different layouts across future product lines and models within the Zenvo family. Oh, right, so there we go. It's multi-purpose. It can be applied to different kinds of vehicles. So if you want that bad boy in your SUV, then maybe you'll be able to one day. But yeah, I mean, I just find that staggering. I really do. They must have tried. You can't just accidentally end up with the most powerful performance engine on a road kart of that type. You definitely try and do that. You definitely try and do that, even if not literally, you know, subconsciously, like, well, let's push it as much as we can, which they do allude to in that interview, to be fair, does the chairman. So yeah, I mean, you know, we talk about EVs a lot. We talk about, you know, the environment and stuff like that, and it all being important. We also are petrol heads here at the motoringchronicle.com. So, you know, we do a lot of stuff when it comes to that, and this definitely falls into that category. The most powerful V12 motor of its type ever made, with like 600 horsepower of electric power. To put that into context as well, over, you know, 1,850 horsepower, whatever it was in total. That is more powerful than the most powerful Formula One car engine of all time back in the turbo era in the 80s. And it's like nearly double the power of one now. So yeah, crazy stuff. Engineered insanity. Your thoughts on it in the comments below, guys. Would you like to get in a car with that engine, or would you just pass? Personally, I'd pass. I'd rather keep my neck, thanks, because I think that is an absolute, very much a whiplash instigator for sure. But yeah, your thoughts in the comments below. We'll see you soon for some more news from the weird and wacky world of motoring here on the channel.